Look at Tesla FSD Supervised version is now rolling out to Cybertruck owner in Canada for the first time, and the version number is 12.5.5.3, including with 2024.39.5 software update. This Tesla FSD version is also rolling out to Cybertruck customer of second batch also. And so what is special about FSD Supervised version is that it works anywhere in the US and Canada, no high definition map, no geofence. This means you can even use it in place that no Tesla has never traveled there before.